it's Sasa, and today in this tutorial I'm going to show how to make these really cute and easy hair bows. The fabric I use is 100% cotton. So here are the measurements. You'll need to cut one of each. The seam allowance is 0.5 centimeters. It lines up with the side of my presser foot. You fold in half the rectangle and we sew the side. Then we sew the end. And using a chopstick or some kind of stick, we'll flip it right side out. With the help of tweezers, I tuck the end inside and then we sew this shut. And for the big piece, fold in half as well. And we need to leave an opening so that we can flip it right side out. So you can jump without cutting the threads. Fold open so that the middle seam is in the back. And it's not necessary to close off the opening. I don't close it off. Then take the center of the bow and fold it until you're happy with how it looks. And we're going to use the machine and sew the center. Try to get it in the center. If not, almost the center is still okay. So you want to sew the center piece without sewing it to the bow. So flip it to the right side and you adjust to make sure the centerpiece is in the center and you're happy with how it looks. After that, you sew it to the main bow part. And tie off a knot and cut and you're done the sewing part. So the last part is to hot glue an alligator clip to your hair bow. You could also attach a hair elastic or a comb. If you do use this tutorial, please tag me on Instagram or on Facebook. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more free sewing tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.